Today we're just out on the Missouri River, just below Fort Peck Reservoir. We've been fishing out here all week, all around, and today we decided to put the boat in down here. And I think we're going to go after pike and walleye today, but knowing the Missouri River, there's a good chance we might hook into something else, so stay tuned and see how the day goes. We're just kind of cruising up here before we go out and do some walleye jigging out a little deeper. We're gonna fish the shores and stuff for some pike. We're gonna start off throwing something like that, just a swim bait. It's actually been doing pretty good for us this week. Then we'll switch it up accordingly. We'll also be throwing some spoons, kind of like that 5 of diamonds there. Those work pretty good. So hopefully get into some pike, and then we'll move into some walleye a little later on in the video. Well, Cole's hooked up on the first fish of the day on the spoon, right?
Yep.
Looks like a good fish. Oh yeah, that's a good fish. Grab that net. Good fish.
Here he is. He's about a 5 or 6 pounder.
Good fish.
Out of Park Grove Lake, out on the Missouri River.
Perfect.
There he goes.
There's a fish. Big one.
Nice one?
Yeah.
Big one?
Yeah, it's a good one.
Like 15.
Might be a double digiter. It's a nice fish.
It's a good one.
Yeah, it is. I think we're getting somewhere with him though. Gonna need the net for this guy. That one was also up pretty shallow, right on that drop off. There he's coming. Swing him around this way. There he's coming. Not that big. His body. Heck yeah. Well, he's in the boat. We'll get back to you. We're gonna get some pictures of this guy, and then we'll get back to you with the release. Hopefully get him back in here. There he goes. Hooked up on another good pike on the 5 of diamonds.
Got some weight to him.
Staying pretty deep. We haven't seen him yet. Oh yeah, that's a good fish. Getting a little froggy. Didn't want that lure getting all twisted up.
Makes sense. That might break our 10 there.
That's a good fish. We're just throwing some walleye jigs, and wasn't expecting to hook into that guy. I'm actually not sure I didn't break through because I didn't have a leader on, but another decent pike of the day. Not too bad. I had another 4-pounder. So get a release on him here. There he goes. Well, we had a pretty awesome time chasing pike this morning. Caught quite a few pike, some nice pike too. Unfortunately, we didn't get all of them on the video. We caught a couple more, we just weren't quick enough. But I think we got some pretty good film. And now we're gonna head off the water, go grab a bite to eat, and come back out this evening and hopefully catch some walleye. Well, just got back on the water, just put the boat back in, and after grabbing some food, we're ready to chase some walleye. So hopefully we can hook into a few. We gotta leave town tomorrow morning, so it's our last night to do some fishing. Well, we gave her one last go tonight. Tried to hook onto some walleye. We had a few bumps, but never got anything in the boat. So we're heading home. But make sure you like and subscribe and stay tuned for our next video.